In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template button in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple button that instantly drops a ready-made to-do list into your page, saving you time and keeping your workspace consistent. Start on any Notion page where you want the button to live. To pull up Notion's quick command menu, type a /. This is the fastest way to add anything in Notion. Right after the slash, start typing the word button. You'll see the button block appear in the suggestions. Go ahead and click button to add it to your page. Notion will place a new button block and a small configuration panel will open so you can set up what it does. Give your button a clear descriptive name by editing the label. For example, call it template button or use a name that reflects its purpose like new task checklist. A good name helps you and your teammates quickly understand what the button will create, especially if you plan to use more than one button on a page. Now, it's time to define what happens when the button is pressed. In the Buttons panel, click New Action. Actions are the building blocks of your button's behavior. For this walkthrough, we'll keep it clean and focused with a single action that inserts content. Choose Insert Blocks. This action tells Notion to place specific blocks on your page whenever you press the button. In the content area that appears, click inside and type a / again to open the quick menu. Start typing to narrow the choices. From the list, select To-Do List. This sets your button to insert a standard checklist each time it runs. You can customize that checklist right here by adding a few starter items if you want, or leave it blank to create a fresh list every time. Either way, the button will consistently produce the same structure, which is great for repeatable workflows like daily tasks, sprint planning, or meeting follow-ups. That's it. You've created a template button that inserts a to-do list on demand. Place the button wherever it makes the most sense on your page, and remember that you can always revisit the button settings to rename it or adjust the inserted blocks as your process evolves. This is a simple pattern, but it's powerful for standardizing how you capture work in Notion, keeping your pages tidy, and helping you move faster with less setup.